Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to look at a method, and well, we're going to look at the method read. So last video, actually 2 videos ago, we learned about the Urllib library, right? And then we imported we went into the request part and then pulled down we aliased it as URL. So now let's go and use that, and we're going to assign this to page just like last time. So then we're going to use the Urlopen method, and we're just going to copy this so I don't mistype. This has to be a string or an object pre-saved, which would be then a string, and look at what I got. So, alright, what I really want to be interested in this video, let's run this. So when we did this last time, we ran stuff and we ran closed on it, but you know how to look at all these awesome things. We know how to run dir, and we want to and actually let's just call this so we can start to begin to familiarize ourselves. This is a HTTP response object right there, object. So now what we want to do is I want to show you, I remember the first time I pulled this up. So here's Google's page, right? Pretty clean. It's just their search bar and Google search, and I'm feeling lucky, right? Well, let's actually show you what is there. So this is a very cool, we're going to look at, let me see if I can do my alphabet, read. We're going to use our read method. So, and the way you call this is literally just like so, but let's go back just a second. We're going to use all our skills. So right, we do page.read. So here we go. This is the method of this. It's an instance. Now here's a very cool thing, is you know about defaults, right? Amount, none, default. So what I really want to show you is look at all the stuff that is on this page. So nice clean page, right? Well, check this out. This is what blew me away. Alright, and I hit enter. This is all of the code that it takes to create, I'm still scrolling, Google's homepage. That is it. And this is written in HTML. So I don't know if we're going to venture into learning HTML here or not. I haven't made up my mind. But there, we can read that. Language English. And I think this is the person that is on it right there. But this is all of the HTML code that it takes to create that clean page. I love it. So now let's touch on, well, let's just jump into it. So the one that I'm most intrigued with is, let me look here. So we've used this before and I didn't want to jump into it, but now, and I'll have this in the comment section. You don't have, you can just copy it. But what this is this is a website that has text files, and it's the Raven, Edgar Allan Poe's Raven, and we use this in our dictionary example. So if you want to see a very cool way to count words, if you haven't seen it, go back and look, search dictionary, and I have this pulled up. But don't worry about typing all this in. I'll have it in the comment section, and you can just copy and paste. So alright, let's run and save this. So now I'm going to call page, still going to be an object, but check this out. So then I do read, and this is the poem. This is the raven. So right here, now here's something very interesting. So when I call this again, there's nothing there because I've exhausted all of the information. Read goes through and pulls the information off of page. So I want to so if you want to basically fill this back up, you have to rerun and re-pull it down. So let's look at the default or the argument amount. So I can give it, let's refamiliarize ourselves. Page.read. I should close this out. So I can give it in bytes. So however many bytes that I want to see, I can read, and let's do 75. So that's the first 75. Here's the next 75. Then here's the next 75. So, and so on. But if I just do here, it's not going to start back over. It's going to pick up right here and then do all of it. Just like this. So here we go. Does not have the header, does not have any of these things. It picks up after the 70, 75, what, 3 times, then continues the rest. So if I call page.read, we already know there's nothing there. This is just the HTML code. So we're going to build on this. But I thought this was a very cool place to add this read method, and this method works on some other objects, but right now we're doing some pretty cool stuff. So there we go. So this is the kind of video you're liking. Please make sure you're clicking that like button so I can, because I'm getting a lot of good feedback, and thank you guys very much. But also, most important, we have videos every single day now, and I don't want you guys missing anything, getting too far behind, and we're breaking these up in nice little pieces. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. Have these coming out at 12 o'clock Central Time every day. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.